If getting out of bed feels like cracking open a rusty hinge, if your back tenses up just from tying your shoes, if you have tried stretches, heat packs, and painkillers and nothing seems to stay fixed, then what I am about to tell you might finally give your spine a chance to breathe again. Because this is not about pills or procedures, it is about food. A food that does not just mask the pain, but actually tells your muscles and your nerves that it is safe to let go now. And it works by fixing what most back pain sufferers overlook entirely: blood flow and inflammation. Now here is the twist. Your back pain might not be from your age, your posture, or your mattress. It could be from what you are not eating. And today I will count down the top 7 foods that support spinal recovery, reduce deep tissue inflammation, and help relieve back pain naturally, without side effects. And number 1 is something most people walk past at the grocery store, not realizing it is the best-kept secret of the spinal cord. So, if you want to move more freely, sleep more deeply, and finally stop feeling pain every time you stand up, hit subscribe now and tap the bell, and comment below, when does your back pain hit hardest? Type morning, evening, or sitting so others know they are not alone. Now let's get into it, starting with number 7, Tart Cherry Juice. You have probably heard of cherries for muscle soreness, but the real magic is how they affect sleep and why that matters for back pain. Tart cherries contain natural melatonin and anthocyanins. This combo helps you fall asleep faster and stay in deeper sleep stages, the ones where spinal repair actually happens. And when you sleep better, your back muscles relax more, cortisol drops, inflammation cools down. It is like giving your body an extra shift of repair work overnight. Just a small glass, around 4 ounces of unsweetened tart cherry juice, in the evening can start the process. It is gentle, natural, and helps your back reset. Number 6 is Chia Seeds. Now this one might not seem obvious, but hear me out. Chia seeds are little hydration bombs. They absorb up to 10 times their weight in water, turning into a gel that supports connective tissue and fascia, which is the thin web that wraps around your muscles and spine. They also deliver omega-3s and magnesium, both of which help reduce tension and nerve irritation. You can soak a tablespoon of chia seeds overnight in almond milk or water and drink it first thing in the morning. It is like a soft cushion for your insides. Over time, that internal hydration makes your back feel less stiff and more resilient. Number 5 is ginger. Ginger is not just a kitchen spice. It is a natural nerve calmer. It works by blocking pain receptors in the body, specifically something called the transient receptor potential cation channel subfamily V member 1 or TRPV1, the same one that capsaicin targets. That means less throbbing, less burning, and fewer spasms. But even more than that, ginger reduces inflammation around your spinal nerves. It gently tells your body, you can stop overreacting now. Try fresh ginger tea before bed. Just slice a thumb-sized piece, steep it in hot water, and sip slowly. You may notice less tightness in the morning and fewer pinched feelings after long hours sitting. Number 4 is spinach. Now here is something most people miss. A lot of back pain is linked to low magnesium. Magnesium is what helps muscles relax. Without it, your back stays clenched like a fist. Spinach gives you magnesium, potassium, and antioxidants all at once, plus folate to help repair tissues. Steam a cup and drizzle with olive oil and lemon. That helps your body absorb everything better. Do this a few times a week and your spine may start to feel looser, like it is not fighting itself anymore. Number 3 is pineapple. Yes, pineapple. But the reason it matters is because of a powerful enzyme it contains, bromelain. Bromelain breaks down scar tissue and inflammation around soft tissues, especially after injury or surgery. It also reduces swelling that presses on nerves, which, if you have ever had sciatica, you know exactly what that feels like. Just half a cup of fresh pineapple, ideally between meals, can help clear out the junk that is crowding your spine. It is not just sweet, it is strategic. Number 2 is wild-caught salmon. This one is for the root of the root, inflammation. Salmon is packed with EPA and DHA, 2 omega-3s that tell your immune system to chill out and stop attacking your own joints. They also improve circulation to your discs and spinal muscles, helping you heal faster after stress or strain. 2 servings a week, around 3 to 4 ounces each, is enough to shift the chemistry of your body. It is not about loading up, it is about consistency. And if you do not eat fish, a good omega-3 supplement with at least 1,000 milligram EPA per day can fill the gap. And number 1 is the most underrated food for relieving back pain, which is beets. That is right, beets. They are like nitric oxide bombs for your spine. Beets increase blood flow by boosting nitric oxide production. That means more oxygen, more nutrient delivery, and better waste removal from your lower back tissues. Most people never think about circulation and their spine, but when blood does not flow, healing does not happen. Beets open the gates. Even half a cup of roasted beets daily or a small glass of cold-pressed beet juice can make a real difference, especially if you drink it before movement, like walking or stretching. Beets do not just relieve pain, they help your body repair the cause. Now let's zoom out for a moment, because if we want to fix the back, we need to understand why it breaks down in the first place. Here is the truth. By the time most people hit their late 30s or early 40s, spinal blood flow has already dropped. Inflammation becomes chronic, muscles stiffen from underuse, and connective tissues start holding on to scar tissue and waste. This is not just aging, it is slow suffocation. And the solution is not just exercise, it is nutrition that sends the signal that we are rebuilding now. Foods like beets, salmon, spinach, and pineapple act like an internal construction crew, clearing debris, easing nerves, hydrating tissues, and restoring calm to a system that has been in pain for too long. But here is one mistake to avoid: drinking coffee before eating anything. I know it is a habit for millions, but for people with back pain, it can backfire. Caffeine constricts blood vessels and raises cortisol. That spikes blood sugar, tenses your muscles, and reduces circulation right when your spine needs it most. Instead, try eating first, even just a small amount, then enjoy your coffee. Your back will thank you. So, what might tomorrow look like? You wake up, drink a glass of beet juice. Wait 20 minutes then. Have chia pudding soaked overnight with a spoonful of berries. Mid-morning, you snack on pineapple chunks or sip ginger tea. Lunch is wild salmon with spinach drizzled in olive oil and lemon. And after dinner, drink a Tart Cherry Juice. No pills, no procedures, just food that speaks the same language as your body. Because you are not broken, you are underfueled, and the blueprint for recovery is still inside you. You just need to feed it the right way. Try this for 7 days. Watch what shifts. Is your sleep deeper? Do you stand taller? Does the ache loosen? Then tell me in the comments. I read all of them. And if you care about pain-free movement, about being able to bend, lift, and stretch without fear, hit subscribe right now. And if you are already using food to fight pain, type relief in the comments. Let's build a community of backs that work. Until then, stay steady. You have got this.